Meanwhile, it was more joy in central Jamaica for Edwin Allen, who wrestled back the girls' title from Hydel following a narrow victory on Saturday for a 10th crown at the National Stadium. Jerome Foster reports.
It seems it was ordained to be number 10 for the school in Clarendon in the build-up to Girls' Champs. But with 2 hours to go on Saturday's final day, things got closer than expected between themselves and last year's winners Hydel High. The championship medal of the Michael Dyke conditioned girls powered through to turn around their 2-point deficit from 2023 to a 9.5-point success this year. On Monday, there was unconfined joy in the hills of Frankfield for the school that prides itself on its motto of "We shall be an example." Co-captains Tony and Beckford and Monique Stewart reminded their challengers of Edwin's prowess as they claimed that 10th title to join Homewood Technical in second on the overall winners list.
Last week Monday, I remember standing up here and telling you guys that I am confident that the trophy will come back to Frankfield. And here we are, 10th time, it's a girls' champion. This is a big deal. Because Edwin, a big team. Edwin, a big deal. Any other school, a knockoff blow. One Edwin Allen.
Head coach Michael Dyke fought tooth and nail to overthrow the dynasty of Homewood Technical, and the loss to Hydel in 2023 reshaped his athletes to reclaim the crown.
This is the first time within the last 9 years that we have gone to champ, not being the defending champion. So we were determined to turn the table around, and the girls started from early in September, started working very hard. The whole change in terms of their discipline, was very positive. And, we worked throughout the season, and the results were very positive throughout the meets. So it was very clear that we would have done very well at championship. During the championship, it gets very tight, especially coming down to the final day. But the sort of work that was put in on the determination and discipline, I think that really helped to carry us through this year.
This is my third year as a principal. The first year we won champs, second year we came second. And even though I thought it was a big deal, because the school is used to winning, they really took it very hard last year. So we did our homework and we went back to the drawing board, and we believe that we did all that we could. We thought the competition would have been a little more easier for us, but Hydel really came at us. But as true champions, we held our nerves, we held our own, and we brought it home.
Saturday's success was by just over a handful of points, but for Dyke, it's the start of another lengthy run.
The fact that we would have won this year really set us up nicely for next year, because the team for next year will be very strong, I can tell you that. So I am confident that once, barring injuries or any unforeseen mishaps, we should be back at the top come next year.
Courage, grit and determination sprung to life for Edwin Allen, who are now 10-time holders and are still craving more success. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.